Today we'll be looking at viewing all your corkboard cards at once in Scrivener 3 for Windows. So first off, you'll need to have everything you want to appear showing in the binder. That means no collapsed containers. Now select all the items by clicking on the first one and then Shift and click on the last one. They will now all show on the corkboard. All the containers will show as a stack of cards, and all the items in the container will come after it. All the cards can be typed into as normal, but this could possibly become a little confusing, unless you've typed all the container titles in caps, for example, to make them really stand out. But it will give you an overview of everything, if that's what you want. However, you might prefer to have everything grouped by container, in which case just select the container or folder, and you'll see the items stacked per container. So either a column or a row dedicated to that container. You won't see the container, but if that's empty, it's not a problem. Now, once you get into multiple levels of container, this doesn't work well, because you can't see everything. The sub-container becomes a stack, so it's probably best done for simpler projects. Next time, we'll be looking at printing index cards. Well, sorta.